everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Natalia here from YuLocs. This morning actually, I shampooed my locks and I already blow dried, and I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration about Noggin oil. Today I'm going to be using Replenish to moisturize my scalp and my locks. What I love about Noggin oil products is how simple it is. All you gotta do is roll it off. It's a roller. Turn it over and you roll all through your scalp. It smells amazing. It works incredibly. And you don't get any oil on your hair. Sorry, not your hair, your hands. Still waking up. Super easy, very efficient, quick. I love it. And voila, finished. So if you haven't tried any of the Noggin oil products yet, go to YuLocs.com. All the information is on my website and go check it out. Bye.